making the rounds is that some popular reggae boys have been left out of the squad for the upcoming Intercontinental Playoff games. Absent will be Shemar Nicholson, Kaheem Dixon, and Dujon Whisper Richards. Now, Nicholson would be out of the first game anyway after being red-carded in the previous round. Kaheem Dixon is still very much a fringe player, and his exclusion is understandable. Now, Whisper's exclusion is what we are jumping and shouting about. For me, there is no way a baller who was one of our most impactful players in that flop first round cannot make the squad. Not the Brazil or the Argentina or the Germany squad, but the Jamaican squad. And without seeing any of the new additions to the squad, based on his skills and how he plays in that Jamaican shirt, there is no way that Whisper cannot make a Jamaican 23 or 24-man squad. No, Coach Rudolph Speed, please qualify Jamaica for the World Cup and prove the Maverick strong and right. Please.